Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked Doordash account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, you want to click on Account at the bottom left. Then you want to scroll down and under Account Settings, you want to click Account again. And here next to Profile, you want to click Change Password. And here you can type in your old password and your new password and click Change My Password. If you're logged out, you can try accessing Doordash from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And once you log in, you can try changing your password. And if you connected any of the accounts on your screen now, you can try logging in via those methods and changing your password. And if you're unable to log in, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email or phone number was changed, you want to head over to the Doordash support site. It's on your screen now and it'll also be in the description as well. And here you'll have two options to either chat with us in the Dasher app or to call the Doordash support at this number. So you can choose which one you want to do. And if you want to chat with Doordash support, you'll have to do it through the Doordash app. And it'll post instructions on how you can get to that page to contact them. And I also have a prompt in the video description which you can use when contacting them about the situation about your account, and you can tweak the prompt to match your situation. If your personal Doordash account got hacked, this option won't be available for you since you need to be a Dasher, so you would just need to contact Doordash support using the phone number from the previous page. Once you've regained access to your account, make sure to follow the security tips on your screen now to protect your account and to prevent future hacks. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.